Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to search by image on Google on mobile. On your mobile device, go to google.com in Chrome browser. Tap the three-dot menu, which is the top right corner. Just scroll down and select Request Desktop Site. Once the desktop version loads, you'll see the camera icon in the search bar of Google. You can either enter a URL for an image or upload your saved one. Alternatively, if you're browsing the web and come across an image you want to search, hold your finger on the image until a pop-up menu appears. Select Search Image with Google and the image will open in Google Lens for reverse image search. This feature is only supported in Chrome, not in the Google app or other browsers like Safari. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.